Hey, this is Ed, your landscape coach, showing you your best gifts for Christmas. Check this out. Christmas time. Time to get gifts, time to get tools. Some of the best tools made are made by Corona. Season after season, we have our trenching shovels. We have our regular shovels with the wood handles. We have our flathead shovels, heavy duty, really nice tempered steel. All of our Corona tools are made here in California. Look at our rakes, beautiful rakes, very well made, heavy duty metal, no cheap stuff. We got our leaf rake going on right here, heavy duty standard rake, nice, flexible, nice springs in it. So you have a really good selection of rakes. You got a little small rakes going on like this. Check this out. Fine tine shrub rakes. So you get in between those shrubs. It's nice and stiff, so you can be able to get in between those shrubs and get all that debris and stuff out of there. Nice wooden handles. Really nice wooden handles. We got our landscape rakes going on. Heavy duty aluminum. So you're doing really wide jobs. You got your wide landscape rake, then you have your little shorter. Get into your heavy rakes. Check this out. It's really nice heavy gauge steel. No cheap stuff here. Well made. And we have our weed extractors, or what we call in the business hula holes, heavy duty. The pivot action on the top of the head, you're able to extract the weeds. That weed action going on. You get down in there and you're able to really get through and hula hole those weeds out of here. This is a really great gift for yourself or for friends or fellow gardeners. Getting them a hula hole. Then you have your landscape rakes. You got your landscape rakes going on, your push brooms. Check it out. Landscape rakes. This is a push broom. Nice heavy duty stiff bristles going on. Really nice clamps here holding that broom. Nice wood handle. Easy to work with.
Oh, so we have to send this out. Okay.
And you have your hand tampers. So if you're doing decomposed granite, a lot of people need to be able to compact that granite up. This is a 10-inch plate. And there you go. So that's showing you some of the nice tools here that you can think about buying yourself or fellow gardeners for Christmas. I'm at the Southwest Boulder and Stone store here in Los Angeles, new store. But you can go online to corona.com to find out who the suppliers are for the Corona tools. And also you can go to the local big box. They carry some of the Coronas, but your Site One supplies in your Southwest Border here in Southern California is going to be able to carry that stuff for you. So there you go. There's your Christmas gifts. If you're thinking about it, pick them up. Be sure to visit Southwest Border, www.southwestborder.com. See you in the next video.